I have a day off all day today, so I decided I wanted to do something fun in this video instead of, you know, not putting one up. I did put a video up yesterday. I put a lot of hard work into that video. It took me a while to edit it, and if you want to watch that video, I'll leave a link in the description for that, or I'll put a card up somewhere in the video. We're gonna be going to this house that's in the middle of being built. It's not even like fully built yet. It's only like the wood, you know, the kind of like a skeleton of the house. I think we're gonna go check that out, just depending on what kind of mood he's in. And yeah, let's go. Caleb's actually gonna go in there. Yeah, good luck getting out, bro. Hardcore parkour. Ooh. This is my parkour right here. Jumping the gap. Who the heck are these kids and why are they over here?
Flash on?
I have my flash on? Oh, that's cool. All right. Hardcore parkour. No.
I said pump. What the heck?
Well, they're probably still building the water lines. But yeah, these are the new houses. We have that house right over there. They're just building a bunch of new houses over here. What? Where'd Caleb go? What? Oh, there he is.
Come down here. Want you,
Dude, this is like a trench, like back in World War II.
Danger, do not enter.
Here.
Oh, gotta get the camera. All right, Joseph, enter my man cave. Got my sit down area, you know? And I got Joseph. Hurry up, Joseph, might cave in. Oh, shizness. All right, show him how I get out. All right, let's go.
Holy crap, it's dusty.
Just got out of my new house.
Hey guys, my name is Joe, and this is my MTV crib. Probably not going to be able to get the heck out of here.
Hang on, let me show you how deep it is. You guys? Oh, he almost fell.
No, dude, these boats are done for.
Pretty deep.
Crap.
What if I jumped in right here? I'd be dead. All right, jumping over. Woo.
Jump that?
What if you'll jump this?
Yeah.
I will, if you do.
Alright, I'm going to jump like right there. We need to get this out of the way though so I don't trip on it. I need some run up.
Take off your backpack, dude. That adds more weight.
Yes, it does.
All right, go, 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 go. Was that actually pretty far?
Kinda.
Here. Oh. All right. I'll jump it. All right, here I go, guys.
Let me see. All right. Ooh. Hardcore parkour, guys. Now, here we go. Oh yeah. Here, I'll go.
Come on, guys. See if I can jump it right here. Woo.
Yeah, dude. I don't trust that because if you don't make that, you're falling straight down there. And that's not a pretty fall.
Say, I'll drop my phone.
Right,
this is how far
we could be like tech racks. We could see like if an iPhone could survive that fall.
See if a dirt rock can survive this hole. It did.
Yep.
Like, no, we gotta go down there. Check it out. So we're on the 100th floor. We're going down to the 5th floor. Oh. Let's see if it survived. It did survive.
Yes, it did.
Here, hold this.
Hey, move. I'm gonna kick this rock.
Wait.
Alright, ready?
Alright, go.
Watch.
Here,
Imagine if that hit you, dude.
I'm trying to climb up.
Holy crap, dude. Look at Caleb's phone. It's all cracked to heck. Wow. Good luck with that hardcore parkour.
Should I try and get up on this?
No, dude. That's way too unsteady. It's a little unsteady.
Oh, yeah.
Watch him slip.
How long were you guys at my door? Like a good 2 minutes. Your mom told me, like, he went around around the block.
Oh, he's on the scooter.
And then your scooter's sitting right in the front.
This is wood. Did you know that?
Are you retarded?
Do you guys have those drinks with the oranges in it? Yeah, you want some orange juice? No, not that.
You guys have that chocolate thing? The chocolate shake? No, not that.
You talk about the chocolate sundae? No, not that. Perfect. You do, Wade.
Dude, do you think we can jump this one?
If you want to die, dude, look at that drop. That's even worse.
Alright, watch out, I'm jumping it.
Oh, crap, dude.
Dude, you guys trip over right there.
What if you tripped on that thing?
I'm gonna do my triangle.
Oh, he's gone.
Caleb, look at the camera.
How am I supposed to get out?
Hey, let's go.
All right, bye, Caleb. See you, dude. See ya.
Oh, he's gone.
Bye. See you next year, dude. We'll check up on you in like an hour. So, yeah, this is the house.
MTV Cribs.
MTV Cribs, guys. Wait, what are you doing?
Alright, come down here, man. Come to you?
It's his producer.
Alright, I got you, dude. Alright, we're gonna film something real quick for MTV Cribs and then we'll be done, okay?
No, keep it on. It looks better. Keep it on. Because you look like a complete retard.
You okay?
No, don't strap it on though. Just keep it like laying on your head. Backwards, backwards. Backwards. Okay, ready?
Here, Winthrop here. Today, we're doing MTV Cribs. Let's go.
Skirt, skirt. Skirt, skirt. Skirt, skirt.
I got it, guys.